Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 error code, that is 0x8024200d. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to type in services in Windows search box. Click on services. Scroll down somewhere at the bottom, you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. Then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update. Then click on restart. Find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted. And then make a right click on background intelligent transfer service, click on restart. Find app readiness in the list, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. And then make a right click and then click on restart. Now once this is done, go back and then you can click on check for update, or if you see retry option, hit retry and then you can check. Still not working, you can open Windows settings and then you can go to Windows Update, and then over here you can see pause option. You can hit pause over here. Once paused, you can click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box. Make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time and it will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window and then hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is complete, restart your computer and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this you can go to this link. The link is provided in the video description. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here write down the name of the update, whichever update is giving you the error message. This is just an example. You can copy the name of the update which you are unable to install and then click on search and check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. Check your Windows version. In my case it's version 0x8024200d. Now check your system type. So go to system and then scroll down, go to about option. Check your system type. In my case it's 64-bit operating system. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. Now if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. This is the right one for me. Click on download and over here you have to click on the update which was giving you the error message. So in my case 5077181. So whichever is the update, you can click on that update and then you can let the download complete. Once download is complete, click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction and then you can install this update manually and then restart your computer and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option over here, and over here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, restart your computer and then check. The next step is to use media creation tools. So if nothing is working, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see media creation tools. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once download is complete, click on finish. Let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure that this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install the update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.